Alright guys, as you see, I'm still wearing the same outfit because this is the same video that I'm making from the Audi video. Obviously I gotta try and do as much as I can within one day, as I don't really get to post as much as I'd like to. But I did say I was gonna do a video with the Acura TL, which I'm sitting inside of right now. You can probably see the Type S badge right there on the headrest. So this is the Type S that was in a video I shot, I want to say over a year ago. The owner of this vehicle is TL Type S. I'm going to put the link in the description and on the screen as well. You guys can follow him for he has a YouTube channel as well, but he doesn't really do much with it. You know, it's just little snippets of random stuff here and there with car content. So his Instagram is pretty much all car related, so you can follow pretty much the whole build of this car on his Instagram channel. Once again, I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it. And this is pretty much my reaction to the straight cut gears that he had done. It's pretty much a fully built J35 with RL heads. Same thing I did with my car. But he you know, he went and took it an extra mile. He went and got the heads poured and polished. So it definitely does put down, you know, considerably more horsepower than what mine does. Straight cut gears, like I said, carbon synchros, short shifter. So not really something I'm really used to, but I'm doing the best that I can. There's a weighted shift knob as well, and of course I did do a lot of carbon fiber to the interior like I did with mine. He got the flat bottom carbon fiber steering wheel from Endless RPM. Really beautiful car. He has the, oh, I forgot the name of this thing, Coverlay, I believe that's what it's called. I forgot. The dash cover, it is a little bit cleaner than obviously the cracked dash. Obviously way better than the cracked dash, but I kind of feel like even though I had the suede dash cover, this kind of looks a little more original. I don't know, I like the fact it has the cutout for the airbag. God forbid, you know, when it gets to an accident, at least you're gonna have full use of the airbag. So I got my little POV camera mount set up here. I was gonna go run a couple errands with it, just kind of get a feel for the straight cut gears, and just give you guys my reaction on it. So first things first, we are going to begin with the cold start. I mean, it's not completely cold because it was on about an hour ago, but pretty sure it's cooled down enough now to where it's cold enough to get a nice big raspy sound that this thing is known for. This is the RV6, and he does have a dash cam here as well. So clutch down, yeah, more or less cold start. So it's a quick little walk around for y'all. I do have the hood open, by the way, just in case you guys are wondering why it's a big gap. But it looks pretty much stock on the outside. Besides the carbon fiber trunk from Endless RPM once again. Get the nice artwork body shop, rear diffuser. But like I said, you know, this is a little more OEM looking than the last time you guys saw it. But once again, I'm not going to explain why. This is not my vehicle, so I'm not going to put people's business out there. But just know that it's in A1 condition. I mean, there's a little paint chipping right here, but no big deal. Nothing that can't be fixed. But that's the engine. Fully built J35 with the RL heads. J37 manifold. J37 throttle body with a 4-inch intake. And the noise you're hearing is pretty much what it sounds like with poured and polished heads. You hear everything at that point. See, it has the aftermarket fuel system. As you see back there. With the pressure gauge. Yeah, man, it's a clean looking engine bay. I love it. Got a little block off bay here for the I forgot what that's called. But yeah. Let's take it for a spin.
1 hour later.
Alright, unfortunately it is now dark, but we're gonna make the best of this as we can and get the reaction video. First things first, you can see we need gas. So I guess that's the first stop we're gonna make is the gas station. Oh, my bad. Alright, let's go. This clutch is extremely heavy, so sorry if it is a little jerky, but this is a I think a stage 2 clutch and it's unsprung, so it's not as comfortable as a stock clutch, but definitely very aggressive. Alright, so third gear, let's see what the straight cut gear is about. Woo! Sounds like a supercharger. You know, I'll put the windows up a little bit, so yeah. Get a better sound of it, so go out to third gear. addicting. If any of you guys remember that game, I'm gonna go. I'm sorry. Anyway, stop here. If any of you guys remembers the Need for Speed Most Wanted from the original Most Wanted, 2005. If you guys remember pretty much the main car of the game was that BMW M3 GTR. That car had all 6 straight cut gears, so constantly just hearing that whining sound, it was pretty badass. I mean, of course back then we probably didn't know what that was, but now we know now. You know, as the years pass and modern technology gets more advanced, we kind of just tend to learn a lot more about engineering. But yeah, this is exactly what it gives me vibes of. Gives me memories of that BMW. Come on, y'all, let's go. Dragging ass. That's definitely addicting. Definitely addicting. And the other thing is too is that with having the straight cut gears, the speedometer unfortunately is off because it's different gearing than what the original gears would come with, you know. And actually the speedometer is read off of the actual gears, so it's gonna be off. So it was saying this, I was doing what, like 30 or 40 miles an hour when I was really probably doing about 55, 60. So that is something, you know, if you guys do decide to go that route with doing a straight cut gear, and that is something to keep in mind, is that your speedometer will be off. So my advice, I guess, would be to just stay with the flow of traffic, or maybe download the little, or you know, maybe use Waze or something on your phone that tells you the actual speed you're going, or just something that gives you the, you know, actual speed you're going versus the speedometer. But honestly, I think this is one of those things that you just gotta get used to and just wouldn't worry about it. But yeah, let's get some gas in this thing. The thing is empty. You already know, premium, baby, only way to go. If you put anything less than premium gas in your Acura TL, whether it's stock or built, I'm just gonna say, y'all don't deserve one. 93 or 91 only. If those of you don't know, if you got Circle K where you live at, you could get 20 cents off per gallon every Thursday. Today's Sunday, so unfortunately I don't get that deal, but it's still not bad. 380. I think 15 bucks should be enough. Not really going that far, so should be good with that. Quarter tank of gas should be more than enough for what we need to do now. I guess I gotta go to Walmart or something, grab a couple of groceries, so I guess we're gonna take that right now. Hopefully there's no traffic. Like ready to get a nice good pull with these you know, so you can get a very good sound of the straight cut gearing. I'm just gonna go around here. Oh shit. Bumpy ass area, man. Alright. Gonna make this left. Oh, great. There's a cop in front of me. I might not go too crazy then. I'll see all this finest. You lied to me, buddy. I see the cop in front of me. I'm not blind. This is like killing vibes right now. I don't know if you guys can see the exactly what's ahead of me right now on the camera. There's a cop right in front of me. It says I'm doing 25, but I'm pretty sure I'm only doing about maybe 35 or 40 right now. All right, let's see how it looks without the flash. Let's see if it looks better. Yeah, I'm not going crazy with this cop in front of me. This thing doesn't stay very straight, unfortunately. Suspension in this car is very, very stiff, so it is going to be a bit bouncy, unfortunately. But making the best I can. It is nighttime, but I promised I'll do this video before Mike comes back from his vacation. So, got to do what I can with whatever time I have. Well, I'm not behind the cop anymore now, so that's a good sign. Now, you guys do need the flash so you at least can see the shifter and all that. I'm pulling into Walmart now, so I gotta shut the camera off again, go in there and grab what I need and resume this reaction video. And apologize for the blurriness on the camera itself, this windshield. I guess it's not in the greatest shape right now. I think the previous owner, to when Mike bought it, had the wipers on there too long, and it pretty much left like permanent streaks on the windshield. You know, I've tried cleaning it with peroxide and all types of Windex and this, that, and the other, and microfibers and newspaper. I've pretty much done anything, and it's not coming off. So fortunately, until the windshield gets replaced, it's gonna stay like that. Shopping is done. Alright, open road, so you're gonna go pull third gear. Mind you, I'm not doing full throttle. This isn't my car, so I'm gonna take it easy. I'll be honest though, I'm not a big fan of the short shifter, but that's all personal preference. I'm not a big fan of the short shifter whatsoever. Not a big fan of it, but other than that, the straight cut gearing is definitely pretty addicting. It's pretty fun. RSX wants a smoke? Nah, let me chill out. Once again, this ain't my car. Traffic, you know, there's people like this hogging the left lane. You know, you already need to learn the rules of the road before you buy a vehicle. Straight cut gearing for the win, and it engages the gear so smoothly too. I mean, I don't know if that's because the short shifter or if it's just because the gears are a lot more, you know, a lot stronger, but it definitely engages gears a lot better. I definitely like the noise that it makes. And like I said, the only disadvantage is the speedometer. I mean, guys can't really see it on camera, but because the steering was in the way, but it's not showing the right speed. And I don't want to put the camera into my hand while I'm driving it. It's not very safe to do. But that's pretty much it. It's just my little reaction video to the straight cut gears and the short shifter and all that. So, and obviously driving a TL Type S with, you know, pretty much built motor, built Frankenstein motor, original block with the RL head, support and polished. There's really not much I can say about this. It's just really making me extremely miss my car more and more. But you know what? Like I said, when the car broke down for the last time, minor setback, bigger comeback. I went and got myself a brand new Kia Stinger, a car that I really wanted a long time ago. So, you know, at least these cars are still out there. I mean, the price may be up there because, you know, the value of them being as rare as they are, or uncommon. I don't want to overuse the word rare like they overuse legends to describe some of these rappers that passed away. Rest in peace, Takeoff, by the way. Yeah. Oh, what do you guys think about that? I know this is like a month ago now, but it still hits a lot of us like it was the first day. It really does. You know, Takeoff was one of my favorite rappers, especially the best one out of the Migos. I know that's an opinionated fact, but to me, he was the best one. He's surely going to be missed. I mean, he didn't have to. You know, everybody dies one day, but that was not the way he deserved to die. And don't mind my fat ass, about to get some checkers. I'm hungry. All right, got some food. Back to the crib. This last part of it, I'm pretty much gonna just drive it. Just let y'all enjoy the sound of it. Like I said, pretty much that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed, thank you very, very much for joining. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Greatly appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me and continue to give. You know, we're over 2,000 subscribers now.